हेलो गाइज एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। इस वीडियो में आप देख रहे हो मेरे सामने है Kawasaki की 2018 Ninja 300 and as you can see it has something extra. It has a slip-on Akrapovic exhaust and let's listen to how this bike sounds with this slip-on exhaust. What is the exhaust note like? Let's do this. As you might have noticed, this is not really a full system exhaust, it is just a slip-on. So just replace your existing original stock exhaust with this end can and this is the exhaust note that you will get.